here, guys. So I did something here, and something like oily comes. Can this one be oil or what? Can someone tell me? See, especially this one over here. See, it is not water even. And smelling. Then there's that layer here, but there's this dark layer here. So someone tell me, what is this? Maybe there's oil down over here, shiny and smelling very bad. Yes. Can that one be oil? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Comment section down over there. It's Michael Joy J254. Maybe they saw it. See that this one here. You see that one over here. This one. Can it be oil? But at the same time, there's water coming from here. See, this drop of water going down. But there's this one. I'm wondering. You see, it's shiny, totally shiny, and smelly. Smelling like oil, like no oil, like you know the dip that we spray the cow with. Yeah, let me know, guys. Maybe this we are discovering something like oil somewhere here. I don't know. Can it be oil or what? Just drop in a comment section and let me know. And it's almost like how many meters now? Yeah, the 5 meters down, and this one comes up, this one here. Let me know. Then if you know, let me know. I don't want to give you the location of this place, so that we discover if there is oil over here, then we know what to do. Yeah. Yo, yeah, it's me, Michael JJ254. It's another time, another moment with you. As you can see, the situation over here in Africa, Kenya, yeah, a little bit different, yo. So I need to get the cow from this place over here, and as you can see, the water all over. There's a big hole that will collect all the water. There's another one being collected over there. Yeah, it's me, Michael JJ254. It's another time, another moment with you, and this is where I do bring my cow over here, calling Faith. At the end over there is a Chinese company coming up soon. So right now it's in the evening, a little bit dark. You see at the other hand over there, the rain is still coming, and the ground is totally wet. Yeah, muddy. Yeah, very cold. I'm in this they call it pork, this jumper of mine. Yeah, and right now this is where I do bring a cow. Yeah, you guys, for those who are watching my video, they know the name of my cow. Let me clean my camera first. We call her Faith. And so every day when I come, it's always going over there. There it is. Faith! It is too cold. Now moving. Let's see. Yeah. So I need to go there, get the cow, then take it home. Wow. Totally cold, guys. Yeah. Wow. And then still raining at the same time. Yeah. And thing that I didn't come with my gumboots now. See, I'm in my sports shoes. And now I put on the socks. But since sports shoes, like it is Here comes, come. Shh. Hi. Very scary. Okay, starting to show me some teeth. I'm a bit scared of that dog. It's taking some care of some other cows. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go home right now, yeah guys. Yeah, if you find this video interesting, guys, you make sure that you subscribe to my channel, Michael JJ254. Drop a comment, let me know what do you think about my videos. Yeah, watery, woo, watery. Yeah, oh, this place is messy, but the good thing is that I'm going to take a shower, so there's no problem. This is how it looks like when it rains here in Africa, and then you have a cow, and then you want to take it home. So this is what we have to do each and every time. Wow, you see where the water is passing. Wow, there's some fruits here. This one is kind of I don't know, they call it what do you call this one, but there's a name of these fruits. See the water? Wow. Yeah, there you go. More water on the other side over there. See? Yo. Yeah. Wanna jump there? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Now Faith is gone. Yep. Step here. Yep. Wow. Yeah, see. There you go. Yup. We are in Africa, Kenya, in a place called Lemok. Yeah, Soko. And this is how it looks like. Then later I'll be showing you this a tarmac road that connects you to some other cities over here that I'll be showing you in just some few minutes here. Wow, someone lose a shoe. See, this is a shoe, a baby shoe. Yeah, maybe it was brought yeah, by water, the flowing water, you know. Yep. Yep. To the city area. See, yeah, motorbikes on the other side over there. Yeah. Whoa, it's raining a lot, yo. Africa, Kenya, this is how it looks like, yo. See the way it looks like. Oh, Yamune. Alena kweri teta. We're having a lot of friends over here. You see the way tarmac road look like, yeah. This is our tarmac road. Yeah. When it rains, a little bit busy with a lot of vehicles. Yeah. Some are going to the city. Some are coming from the city of Elred. Here. The kale, the vegetable, you see the vegetable are coming pretty well. Yeah, I did some spinach here. The spinach are here, they're coming pretty well again. Yeah. Wow. What I'm wondering is about this, you know, this tomato. It's a lot over here, coming pretty well. And this one is some vegetable that I planted. You guys are watching my video when I'm doing the planting of this one, and now they are growing pretty well. Yeah, see now, and this is the one, the legs. So I need to do something over there. Yeah, squash, little little squash is here, growing pretty well. Yep. So guys, it's me, Michael JJ254, in the village. I want to appreciate for those who just watched my video from the beginning up to the end. I want to say thank you so much. I want to go help a customer who comes here, and then yeah, I do the portion meal, yeah, so that you can get also some cash over there. Yeah, bananas are coming pretty well. Yo, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you leave a comment over here, and make sure that you share my videos here, guys. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah.